The first step you need to take is to download and install F-Droid. The download links and Termux commands will be available on our Discord server. Second step, open F-Droid. Once opened, swipe down to update the packages. After updating the packages, search for Termux, download, and install. Launch Termux, enter the command package update y and package upgrade y, followed by package install Python. Subsequently, execute the command termux setup storage. Type y whenever a question appears. Fourth step, enter package install get, then open your browser and paste the link to the Frida releases on GitHub. Next, copy the link to the Frida-core file according to your architecture. The download links are available on our Discord server. Enter the get command followed by the copied link. Then, input dear Frida-core. Utilize the ls command to list the contents and copy the filename of the Frida-core file. Finally, execute tar xf filename c/Frida-core to extract the contents of the specified file into the Frida-core directory.
Execute the command, export Frida_core_devkit equals, /data/com termux/files/home/Frida-core, then use the command pip install Frida, and subsequently run pip install Frida tools.